Another product, another unboxing video from YRO. So it's the voltage protector. It's 230 volts, 63 amps. So what it will do is it will protect your voltage. So it's not really a surge protector, it's a voltage protector. When Eskom is going on and off, especially on your fridges, your freezers, they really do get damaged when the voltage is not right. And so are lots of other things. Trying to see there's some issues sometimes with inverters as well, especially when they put it down. So for the under voltage maybe, but let's quickly go through what it's all about. So at the top it will give you the voltage that's coming in, either the inverter, Eskom. And yeah, so I will basically, it depends where you put it on. Sometimes you don't have an inverter, but you will want to protect from the load shedding. So this is really a good product from that. The red is the voltage. Here's the amps that's going through it. And then you can set it. So default, I think it's, let's quickly go through it. So default, it's program 1 is default voltage over 270. So you can set it down. I think 240 is the one that it normally the lowest. So it's 270. And then if it's going above that, it will stay for 30 seconds. Program 3 is the under voltage. Anything under 170 volts, and also the time delay. And the amps, you can set it the amp 63, and then also to wait till the amp comes back, and that is just when you power up again what the time is. So let's first go for the power up. I've got quite a few wires here, but it's just to illustrate. I don't have a plug close because the wire is a bit short now. So there I switch it off. Let's power it up. See, there goes the time. So you can set it for 5 seconds. If the voltage is right, it will jump in. If the voltage is not right, it will wait for that. Okay, I've got the multimeter here. So it's a true RMS, just to see. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe this is not true RMS, but it will give you more or less a good idea. So I'm just going to see if it's more or less the same. Just going to try and put it there. So I'm going to put on the kettle. The kettle is now actually on the inverter. So it's only a 3 kilowatt inverter. So I think the voltage will drop as soon as we put it on. It drops to 223. It's basically 8 amps, 8.2 amps. It's pretty close. Switch it off. Goes back to 0. So now I'm going to try and see. You can set the, like I say, you can set the voltage and the ampage. So I'm going to, the voltage, I don't know how to do it. I was trying, this is why I put this plug in. I was trying to see if I can make a arc. I don't have voltage, something that I can put low voltage on, so I don't know how to do that now. But yeah, so we will try the overcurrent and the over voltage. Good. So there I go into the menu, and I see the lowest I think is 240. All right, then I press set. Then number 2 is the time. Put it on 30 seconds. Number 3 is the under voltage, so I'm going to try and put it, let's see where it is. I think it's 210. Okay, let's put that to 10, 30 seconds. The amps, so I'm going to put the amps, I see you can put the amps right down. So I'm going to, I think the lowest is 8. Ah, 7 amps. And for 30 seconds. And your startup, you can also, let's put the startup to 15 seconds. Okay, there we go. So let's try the kettle again, because now it's on 7 amps. There it trips. It's more than 7 amps. It will wait 30 seconds. Then it will try again. There it trips again. So yeah, hope it helps. I really think it's a very nice product to, especially with the load shedding, when they switch on and off, the arcs are very bad. So on the voltage, the surge protection will always protect that. And yeah, so I'm very happy with this. They do have other makes as well, much more complicated, other functions, even with earth leakage, and also a 3-phase. But yeah, we started off with this, and then we will see how it goes. And yeah, like I say, we always test the things, and we like to see how everything works.